pasta limone. A nice, light, citrusy pasta dish that's great anytime. We're going to start off with a real cinematic shot of salt going into our pasta water. Look at that. Isn't that dramatic? I think so. Anyways, on to the dish. We're going to start off with a large frying pan. Put some really good olive oil in there. You need a large pan because you're going to be mixing pasta in this dish later on. Alright, next we're going to put in half a white onion that we have diced up. And mix that well with the olive oil. Add a little salt, add a little pepper. Now we're going to go with garlic. 4 cloves of garlic. Sounds like a lot, but trust me, it's what you want. It's going to offset the citrus from the lemon that we're going to add later. Mix that nice, and then we're going to add 8 ounces of cherry tomatoes that I've already cut in half. And we're going to let that simmer for a while. Once that simmers, you're going to add a couple good dashes or ounces, I guess, of cooking sherry. Or if you have white wine, you can use white wine as well. I kind of like the flavor of the sherry. Then we're going to do the zest of 1 lemon. Add that to it. Give it a good mix. And let that simmer a little longer. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of basil and 2 tablespoons of parsley. Give that a good mix. Then the juice of 1 lemon. Anyways, put that in there, the juice of 1 lemon. And we're going to use bucatini, which is my favorite pasta. It's nice because it's got a hole in the center of each of those pastas, so the sauce gets inside as well. But we're going to cook that to the directions on the box. Then we're going to add 3/4 stick of butter to our pasta sauce. Let that cook down a little bit. And now we're going to add the pasta straight to the dish, to the frying pan. And just drain it a little bit. You want some of that pasta water in there as well, so just take it right out with your tongs, put it right to the frying pan. And you're going to give it a nice mix, and then you're going to plate. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this dish. It's light, citrusy, it's delicious. And remember to subscribe, like, and share the channel, please. Alright, enjoy your day, and I really hope you enjoy these meals.